All right, let's go. What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. I am legitimately so pissed off. Yesterday we rode like an hour and a half. I had some good footage, bro. Like it was gonna be such a good video, and my mic just completely f***ed up. I mean, I am so pissed off about that. So now it's day 2, and we're gonna try to make a video similar. But hey, y'all need to stop playing with me. Like dead ass, bro. My last video that I posted, I said, you know, I just asked you guys to subscribe. You know, I'm really trying to, you know, become a part-time YouTuber whenever I move back to Florida, stuff like that. I mean, why not? That's the goal. That's what we do it for. And y'all didn't play no games. Literally in 1 week after posting that video, I gained over 100 subscribers, bro. That's crazy. Like, for a small channel, that's, you don't really see that all that much. Here's Lil C. You know, we always riding together. But yeah, we're gonna go out to PB, get some coffee, and then I don't know, maybe some margaritas. I actually got another buddy behind me. He's on the FZ6R. If you watch the channel, you'll know I did a first impressions on that. Yeah, man, she's really loving that street bob though. If y'all looking for a new motorcycle, I mean, that thing looks clean. Pictures don't do it justice. You really have to go look at them in person. Hey, while we riding, I've had this phone now for about a week now. The wireless charger quad lock with the vibration dampener. The wireless charger comes in clutch so many times. I mean, as I'm talking right now, I'm at 16% battery and it's getting charged. I left it with 9%. But I did notice something, and I don't think anybody would actually like think about it. But what I noticed was, right after I installed this, I started getting an error that there was no key fob found, right? So the bike would start up no problem, and then I would start to drive, and about 30 seconds into the drive, you know, I'd get the error on my screen saying no key fob. And now that I think about it, that error only, so the bike obviously sees the key fob to start, but it's only after the bike is on do I start to get the error. And that makes me think that once this wireless charger effectively has an electromagnetic field, because you know wireless chargers do, it's like cutting off or interfering with the signal that the bike needs from the key fob. Now that creates no issues for me once I start riding. You know, once I'm riding, once the bike's on, there's no issues. But it's something I wanted to point out, and I haven't heard anything about that, so just something to keep in mind. Like, if you're getting that error, you know, it's 9 times out of 10 not gonna be your battery. It's probably gonna be the wireless charger. I really like that fairing she put on that street bob. I'll post a close-up clip of it here now. But yeah, she got it off Amazon, and it was apparently relatively cheap. Just by that example alone, you can see that cheaper options look just as nice, honestly. And it really feels like people are in a rush to go nowhere today. Great day out, man. Yo, let me know if you guys want me to start doing like group rides, you know, trying to keep up with sport bikes and whatnot. I think it'll make for some exciting content. And you know, as we build this bike and put more power to the ground, who knows, maybe one day I'll be able to take a 600 no problem. Hey Siri, call Konzen. Hello? 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 That was weird. She called me, I called her back, and I don't know what that was. Park right here. God, that's so perfect. You gonna hit me? Cool. All right, I'll be back with you guys in a minute. Alright y'all, and we're back. Always a good time when you get a little bit of caffeine in you. You know, I run on caffeine, nicotine, and gasoline. That's pretty much my diet, you know. You good? Okay, okay. That's funny. I like your bike.
Nice. Thanks.
2022.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
I like the bigger motor on those.
It's nice. My first Harley. I like refused to buy one until they got more power to them. You know what I mean? So came off of the
New Buell Super Cruiser.
yeah.
We're gonna get one of them
Soon. Woo. That coffee got me feeling cracked, boys. Like I just want to haul ass now. Right out here, I was kind of like, you know, I hit the gym earlier. They wanted to go ride. I was like, yeah, I'm always down, but I'm kind of tired. Now I'm just like, if I'm not hitting 100, I just don't feel alive. All right, dumbass, bro. On his phone. Are you kidding me? Hey, that's staying in the video. This way you guys can see, like, just what to look out for, man. You know, I kind of want to use this channel to not only entertain, but also keep y'all aware, man. Gotta give them the finger too, man. My favorite sign language sign. And that is why I never speed. I'm literally talking about doing 100 miles an hour. But if you notice, I'm not even speeding 5 over the limit when it comes to going through intersections, man. Because you just never know. Yeah, we'll make ourselves visible here. Finally, a road that kind of opens up. Ah, and we hit the light. Gosh darn it. What? Yeah, I have no idea what you were saying right there. Let's get it. Open her up, you know? I like to say I'm burning out carbon deposits of my engine. If I needed an excuse. These shocks, man, they eat up these bumps, man. It's nice. I remember my first time actually riding this bike on like familiar roads coming from sport bikes. And I was like, excuse me, I have suspension now? Oh, we're racing the bus for sure. Let's get it. Downhill assist, man. You always got to take advantage of those. Actually going up right now to meet one of Lil C's friends. She met her at a Cycle Gear, and we're gonna meet up, do some photos. So yeah, check out the Instagram page if you want to see them. They'll either be posted to like my story highlights, or might even put a post up if they turn out good enough. You good, bro? What the heck? Well, I saw that, but you were dragging out your clutch. It's all right, it'll come with time. You know, when they find out how expensive a clutch change is, they had to let go of it a lot sooner. Guys, I'm literally at 3,140 miles. I think it's time for a 3,000 mile review. So subscribe to the channel and be on the lookout for that, especially if you're in the market to buy a lowrider. I pretty much only have good things to say about this bike. I mean, honest to God, it feels like it's built like a tank. It picks up, you know. I don't know, there's just nothing bad about this bike. I'm done talking about it though. Be sure to subscribe and be on the lookout for the 3K mile review. Sorry, I messed that up, but you know, the 3K mile review. All right, and we made it. Uh-oh, there's not a lot of parking here. We will park right here then.